Hey everyone, it's Chad from the Man Crafting channel, and I just wanted to give you a quick look at how we set up our exhaust for our laser. So let's take a look. Okay, here's a quick video of my setup. As you can see, I've got the exhaust hose going out this window, and power lines come in to an outlet that I can turn on and off. And in here it's quiet enough that I can still talk. And I'm going to go outside right here. Here's what I have in the toolbox. Actually got it on sale after Black Friday. A little bit louder. And I just spent the other day. You see it's been raining pretty hard and it's completely dry inside. So that's my setup. I made this a sandwich. So I have a board here, then I have about 3/4 of an inch of insulation, and then another board on the outside, and they both go up the window so that I can basically have that wedged in place. And the way I screwed it in, you can't move the window without removing a screw. So there you go. That's how I set mine up so I could actually work inside and not have a bunch of noise.